If you want to take back control of your mind and stop letting impulses run your life, hit subscribe right now, because these next 5 steps can change everything. Let's get straight to it. Step 1. Control your environment. Lust doesn't just appear, it's triggered. What you watch, what you scroll, what you listen to. Clean your environment. Unfollow, block, remove anything that feeds the habit. Out of sight, out of mind. Step 2. Stay busy with purpose. An idle mind is the easiest target. When you're bored, your brain looks for quick pleasure. Fill your day with goals, workouts, learning, building skills. You don't fight temptation, you outgrow it. Step 3. Train your discipline daily. Do small, hard things every day. Cold showers, workouts, waking up early. Discipline in one area strengthens control in all areas. Self-control is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Step 4. Change your mindset. Stop seeing people as objects. Start seeing them as human beings with goals, struggles, and value. When your perspective changes, your impulses lose power. Step 5. Replace the habit. Don't just remove it. You can't just stop a habit. You need a replacement. When urges hit, switch immediately. Go for a walk, do push-ups, read, or work on something meaningful. Redirect your energy. Here's the truth. You don't become strong by avoiding the battle. You become strong by winning it daily. It won't be perfect, but every time you choose control over impulse, you level up. If you're serious about discipline and self-mastery, subscribe now and start applying these steps today, because the man in control of his mind is unstoppable.